Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. It is Thursday, October 19th, and we actually have some interesting stuff going on today. 8:30, we had unemployment claims, 198,000 versus 210. This is very good. This continues to be the I don't know, the thorn in the side of the Fed. The employment situation has been really strong and continues to be strong, which is hurting their efforts to get rid of inflation, to lower inflation. But employment's very, very strong. Philly Fed manufacturing index is minus 9.0, is expected to be minus 6, which is better than the previous, which was minus 13, but worse than expected. Again, manufacturing continues to deteriorate, showing a slowing of the economy is coming. FOMC member at 9 p.m. or 9 a.m. Jefferson speaking. Existing home sales, which is a medium impact item at 10 o'clock, and the CB leading index month over month also at 10 o'clock. 10:30 natural gas. 12 o'clock we have Fed Chair Powell speaking. So Fed Chair Powell is going to disrupt the market best he possibly can. 1:20 more Fed bull. Goolsby speaking. Barr speaking at 1:30. 5:30 this evening, Harker speaking. Again, federal budget coming out in the next few days. Not a big deal, is what it is. But what's really particularly interesting is that we had a big down day yesterday. We're gapping up very, very slightly this morning. Where could we go? Certainly continue to have this stair-step down action. And honestly, you could, and I could do this. We could measure the moves here. So we have a measured move there. Almost didn't quite work. Very, very close to the bounce there. And where could it go? Well, that's where it could go. 41.40. Certainly a possibility. Where can we go in the short run today? I think we could definitely try to get to the top of this little band with that high volume node at 43.90. Bottom side, I think we could maybe test that low from a couple of weeks ago, 4,300. So that's kind of where we could go. And again, that's the bigger where could we go question. Looking at the inventory, here's where the interesting piece comes in. So big down day all day, literally all day long was down. But at 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, the 11 o'clock bar here, they started buying. And they continued to buy all the way into a close. This is a close of 8,200, and actually for the day, 11,000 contracts on a very down day. Massive divergence here. Massive divergence. So even though the market continued to go down, the buy the dip people were in full force. So now the question is are they going to be able to bounce it, or is this a bottom? That is certainly the case. Could be the case. Now, if for some reason we take out the lows and we continue to go down, will these people turn into the first people to dump it once it starts going down? And that's the question. Remember, I've talked about this before. When the buy the dip people finally start having some pain, then it gets ugly, and then we finally maybe seen a bottom. Yeah. So what else have we got? We've got intraday support and resistance, overnight action, about 20, almost 30 points. Well, 31 points. That is bigger than normal. Normal's about 22 to 25. So big overnight movement at the highs of the day, at the highs of the overnight session. Where do we have support and resistance? So on the resistance side, on the top side, 43.61, 43.78, and I'm going to say 4,400. The support on the downside got some nice confluence at 43.06, 42.92, and again 42.71. When I have tight confluence like that, I do like that better. So there's your intraday numbers. Stock Traders Almanac for today, October 19th, is 57.1. 57.1. That's a 7.1% advantage to the upside from the historical perspective from the Stock Traders Almanac. Hope you have a great day. Happy trading, and remember to subscribe, comment, and like. See you tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching the Morning Brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.